Hey guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue toilet paper slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is... Also, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some new ideas. So let's get right into the video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make one of my favorite no glue slime recipes, which is no glue toilet paper slime. It's a fan favorite on a few of my social media pages. So I thought I would show you guys again today how to make one of my favorite no glue slime recipes. The ingredients you guys need to make this no glue slime recipe today is any type of toilet paper. So you need any type of soap. I'm using body wash. A bowl or plate to make your slime in. I have a spooky bowl today. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. Alright, so this recipe is super easy. So actually today, you don't really need a refrigerator. So I know a lot of you guys will be super happy about this. So the first thing I'm going to do for this recipe is I'm going to get out my toilet paper and I'm going to get shredding it into my bowl. Your bowl or plate, just like this. Add some more as you go. Make overall. Now the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to add in my body wash. I'm going to add a little bit like that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get mixing this up. You're going to mix it till you get that dough-like texture. More toilet paper over time if you want to make more of a consistency. That's already super cool. So I'm going to get mixing it up and mixing it and mixing it. It's kind of messy though, so just letting you know, if you don't use a fridge, that is why. Alright, this is how the kneading over time looks. You can see that it's mixing in pretty well. Overall, like the blue tint from the actual soap went away, and now it's more so like the toilet paper texture. So you're just going to keep kneading it. Add more toilet paper into it, kind of like this. It's going to be a little messy, but just fold it in there, and it will make the dough more stiffer and more into like a slime texture. So I'm just going to keep kind of rolling it up, doing this. No refrigerator needed. And I'll be back when I'm done mixing this up. This is after kneading it for probably about 5 minutes. This is how you make super easy no glue toilet paper slime. I actually haven't showed this type of recipe on my channel, but it is an updated one that I've been working on for a little bit. So basically all you have to do is knead the soap with the toilet paper. Over time it'll turn into like this, almost like a dough-like texture, as you can see. Like the blue tint from the soap went away over time, and now it's just kind of clumps of toilet paper, which I'm going to get kneading. So I'm going to get doing this for a little bit, but you can see it made slime, which is super cool. Mine's pretty sticky still, so I do recommend the refrigerator if you want to throw it in there, just make it less sticky, because that's how the soap kind of like hardens a little bit. But overall, the recipe is super easy to make. I really hope you guys try out this recipe today. It's so easy to make, it's super awesome, and it's an updated one. Needs no refrigerator, and I mean, look at this. We made slime. I'm so happy with this recipe today. Thank you guys so much for watching this recipe. I know I haven't been posting a lot on this channel, but I post so much on every other social media platform, like my TikTok, my Instagram, etc. Even my Roblox is all linked down below. But I'm going to get posting some more stuff throughout the fall and winter time. I have a whole schedule I want to get back to with YouTube. I do post shorts about 3 to 4 times a week, but YouTube videos will become weekly again, so stay tuned for all that. But yeah, I really hope you guys like this recipe today. Remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace. Remember, thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!